Hi, Monty Jett here, and I'm visiting with Dr. Brad Morris for our weekly chat. Dr. Morris with Rejuvenate Health on Hilton Head Island, and we're talking about Biophotonic Therapy, or UBI, ultraviolet blood irradiation. Tell me, now I don't know any of that. I just read that. What? Give me a beginner's course on this.
Well, it's a great question, and what it basically means is we're going to take your blood and we're going to pass your blood through an ultraviolet light. And what that ultraviolet light's going to do is it's going to get rid of anything bad that may be in your blood. So it's going to get rid of viruses, it's going to get rid of bacteria. And a lot of things that we don't realize is we have these viruses and these bacteria in our bodies, but we don't have enough of it going around that it'll be even picked up on the blood test. So it's not until we have a lot of bacteria in us or a lot of a virus in us that we can actually see it on a blood panel. But you got to know that these bacteria and viruses are in our bodies, and we don't know it. And I really believe that that's what's causing a lot of these chronic conditions that people aren't getting help with. One of the great things about the biophotonic therapy is by cleaning the blood and then putting it back into the body, this clean blood is going to go into your body and it's going to get rid of these bacteria and viruses. And the main thing that's going to do is it's going to cut down on inflammation. And as you know, Monty, inflammation is the cause of just about everything. So if we can be anti-inflammatory, then we're going to be a lot healthier.
Well, that's for sure. And it occurred to me that if this cleansed blood is then going to every organ you have, and if you have anything that might be happening with organs.
Absolutely. So why do organs fail? You know, there's lots of research out there that talks about all these different diseases, but the one thing that we don't hear a lot about is why. A lot of times our genes are being blamed. So our moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas are to blame. But, why did it affect them? And I really believe it's because of what we come in contact with. We're coming in contact with heavy metals, and again, the viruses and the bacterias, and lots of different xenobiotics.
Well, it is an amazing therapy that's available at Rejuvenate Health, and I don't know if anyone else is doing this, but it sounds almost like a miracle.
I believe it truly is. And in the United States, there's only about 250 practitioners that are doing the biophotonic therapy. So in Europe, 3,000, but in the U.S., it's only 250.
Well, if you want to know more about this therapy, then go to Rejuvenate Health's webpage, and that is rejuvenatehhi.com, or give them a call at 843-757-STEM at Rejuvenate Health right there on Highway 278, just before the bridges to Hilton Head on the right if you're going to the bridge. Dr. Morris, I look forward to our next visit.
I do as well.